Meaning of hair.
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 Hair. Hair refers to the thread-like strands that grow on the scalp and other parts of the body in humans and animals. These strands are composed mainly of a protein called keratin and serve various functions, such as protection from UV radiation, temperature regulation, and sensory perception. Hair can come in different colors, textures, and thicknesses, depending on genetic and environmental factors. Additionally, hair is often considered a cultural symbol of identity and style, with individuals expressing themselves through hairstyles and grooming practices. Overall, hair serves both functional and aesthetic purposes in the human body.